You don't have a key for the gate?
Putting his baby to bed and all that stuff.
So how you supposed to get out?
Well, if we can get this unlocked.
Oh, getting it unlocked ain't gonna be an issue. How you gonna get out? That's the question.
Can you get over there? Can you call with me?
Yeah, that's not an issue.
Thank you for making good time, brother.
Yeah, no problem.
I've been waiting since 3 o'clock.
That's crazy, man. I don't know why they do y'all like
Idiot
that.
they sent from Madisonville.
What?
He never showed up. And then State Farm kept trying to call him, and he wouldn't answer the phone. So
Madisonville, though?
Madisonville. So me and State Farm are gonna go round and round. All right. I don't know what they told you, but this is a loaner. My truck is at Hollingsworth Ford.
Okay.
That's how I locked it. I hit the 2 lock buttons, my keys in it.
It's not a problem.
The VINs are not going to match, and they told me they ain't a problem.
That's not important to me, man. I mean, it might matter to someone else, but it won't matter to me.
I love it.
Let me get a photo right quick.
Okay. So should I tell him to roll? Okay, he said he's bathing.
He's bathing?
Bathing his baby. I hate to make the man come back, but he had to lock up.
Yeesh.
I thought I would be long out of here.
Man, that's crazy though. Madisonville? That's an hour and a half away.
He was an idiot, the guy I kept talking to. And they kept giving me 15-minute ETAs every 30 minutes.
Yeah, at least if I'm gonna be an hour and a half, at least I'm gonna show up. I mean, still.
He never showed up. Never.
That's.
And State Farm couldn't even get him on the phone. You going for the front one or the back one?
No, I'm going for the front one.
For the front one?
Yeah.
And that's interesting. She was heading here too. Suckers in my pocket. Work, I got. Hello. At work, I have this keypad. In my truck, I have a keypad. So when I got out, hit the buttons and went inside.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
All right. Ooh. You need anything from me?
Nah, you good. You call me. I know it's you, so you good.
Okay. You need a signature?
Nah.
Brother, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. I do. I do.
Call you directly or what?
You can, but if you call me directly, you're gonna be paying out of pocket. I mean,
how much would you have charged for this?
For this drive right here, it would probably been about $75.
See, it might be desperate, but see, I got the State Farm thing, but I can't trust they're gonna get anybody.
That's the thing. I mean, like I said, I mean, cause I don't know why for sure for 2 hours I haven't done anything.
Yeah.
So they could have sent it to me 2 hours ago, and I would have been here in the same.
So when I called an hour and a half.